everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I have no idea what I was gonna say there. Anyways, today we're playing a very nostalgic game. No! It's a nostalgic hangout game. If you couldn't read, yeah, yippee! Let's go. December 11th, 2012. I like this music. It's very nice, calming. Either I'm dreaming or I'm handsome, bro. Cause holy moly, bro. Look at me. Naturally brave. Outside. Get off my lawn. I'm gonna headshot. Hello, it's me again, the postman. I'm here to see how you are doing. This guy is going to kill me. Seems like you are alright after all. Nothing new ever happens, mate. I'm just an NPC. You must really like it here. It's been great having you as a friend since 2010. Now let's get some sleep soon, and remember to not go outside because of the wolves. I'm terrified. Please don't kill me, bro. Why did a nuke just go off? Is World War III? Oh my god. Is World War III already happening, bro? Why can I not speak? Is it? Let me go to bed! I really want to go to bed. My last words before I die. Actually, if I say it, I'll probably get canceled. Oh my... What were you about to say? I heard hello and then a word that starts with an N. Oh wait, is this like the thing where it goes like in a loop every single time you but you die and or you go to sleep but you're in the same day and it's yeah. Man. Oh, he's not here. Wait, if he's not here. But, first of all, my eyes. Second of all. man in my house? Are you a black man? Slender man and bro. Swear. If there's a camera in this TV, I'm going to crash out. Ew, I don't like that. What did I say? What did I say? Slower now. Slower now. I'm gonna name you, Bartholomew. Bartholomew, how you doing, my man? Hello, it's me again, the postman. I'm here to see how you are doing. I'm doing great, man. Somebody please kill me. Seems like you are alright. After all, nothing new ever happens here, mate. I'm just an NPC. You must really like it here. It's been great having you as a friend since 2010. Now get some sleep soon and remember to not go outside because of the wolves. Yay! I'm so excited to die, most likely. I'm scared. I'm scared. Why is there a radio? If I turn behind me and I see the black guy from earlier holding the radio, I am going to grab a blicky. Oh, it's already yellow. I'm scared, bro. What did it do, bro? It did nothing! Never mind, I take it back, and I am, Oh my gosh, bro, who are you? Can I go back to my home now? Bro! 3 days in a row! I told you. It's like the day thing where the days never continue, where no matter what, if you sleep or die, it just keeps on continuing until you do the right thing. Is there anything new? There are so many more who do the same. Find me, I'll buy you time tonight. I'm just gonna ignore that there's another noob in my... Okay, so now they added windows? Great. Great. Hello, it's me again, the postman. I'm here to see how you're doing. Great, but I hate that the days are repeating. I'm sorry. I called them to reset the server. You keep wanting more. Maybe this reset was shut. you up for... I was just starting to like you, man. No! Not Bartholomew! Bartholomew! Bartholomew? Stay inside, I'll fight them off and make a clear path for you to escape this experience. Bartholomew, I'm gonna live for you. Is that the Godzilla atomic breath sound, bro? I mean, it's alright, but... Hey, but they just bass boosted it. So unoriginal, make your own... I'm kidding. Oh, there's TV, man. I'm actually gonna jump off it. Oh, there's even no one. I don't have any. Oh my god! Oh jeez! Oh my god! I'm scared to. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're black. Oh. Kentucky Fried Chicken? If you don't hurt me, I'll give you a $1,000 Kentucky Fried Chicken gift card. Prepare to die. I'm not gonna die. I can't. I'm the main character. I'm the Alpha Sigma. Alright, This is World War III right now. Guys met the same exact fate as Bartholomew. Damn. It says the same exact thing. Well, I'm not gonna look back at all because I'm actually gonna like this because I don't want to stay in that house for one more second. Can I beat it? Well, I mean, anything to get out of that house. Spider-Verse here. I didn't even go to the part. Oh, there's even no one. I don't have any. Oh my god! Oh jeez! Oh my god! Porter! Oh my gosh! It's a Spider-Verse! Dude, crazy. Oh my. It's okay. Now this is actually just. Spider-Verse. That's literally what they do to go into the thing in the thingy when they go into Miles goes to another universe. Oh, there's even no one. I don't have any. Oh my god! Oh jeez! Anyways, did I just teleport into the? Am I Tinky Tiny now? Why is it black? Oh, I'm a soldier now. I'm going to grab a gun and start a Fortnite battle royale in a school zone. Not that I do that every day. Should I take the easy way or the hard way? I would take the hard way. That is not how you use a table. I wanna go. Damn. Don't shut me. Why did you get shot? Sliding door. Damn, that's loud. How can you even put your fingers in here? That's a bit of red in it.
I'm free. After all these
Why is your voice
years.
so deep, bro? How many times did you go through that, bro? At least 10 times.
You probably never noticed me.
Hiding in the shadows. Hiding in the darkness. I remember the time when things were classic, when things were perfect. Now I watch soulless players wandering, turning this internet into a place of despair. I witnessed the growth of this specific metaverse, and I watched its creators slowly ruin what was once golden. I even tried saving it for myself. But they just locked me up, and each year which events I see the classic internet sticker, and usually Sonic Clubs. The legends are made in the metaverse longer. So I created this to try and use it, and use some shit up, but otherwise I can't use it. So I'll use more text to touch anyway, and I prove to you this is the metaverse. I prove to you so you can fool me, and so I could wipe this out and use it again. I'll see you
Don't play. Not Roblox or like the rest of this cursed internet. But you can. So you can just.
Giga chat. Flashbang, bro. Spider-Verse. Teleport failed. Okay, so that's the end of the game. Not sure if that teleport failed thing was meant to happen, but that was cool. That was so cool, dude. I love that game. That game is peak. Can't wait to play the other ones, but for now, that is it. Oh wait, 1 second, I need to rate it. I give it a weighting of about 7 out of 10. It was really good. The other ones are gonna be probably better. So yeah, that's it for. Oh my gosh, that's all for today. If you like this video, like and subscribe. That's really all I have to say. Goodbye.